Hi guys, this is going to be a really quick video because I don't feel like babbling. I don't think you want to listen to me babble, and also I really have to pee. So we're just going to go through this box, see what we have, and call it a day. So as per usual, they have the stuff in here that tells you about the clothes that you're getting. Also, I haven't done a fix in a while, so I'm pretty excited to be getting back into this. I don't know when I'm going to do my next one after this. I'm pretty broke right now because I just bought a computer. Spoiler, there's going to be some Oculus Rift videos coming in the very near future. So we're gonna start with the shoes, whatever shoes I have in here. Ooh, girl. So we got these red, I don't know what you would call these. Let me look at this sheet and I can tell you what they are. These are the violet and red Jordan embroidered booty. These are $89. So, yes. Ooh, those are good. So I'm gonna try on all this stuff at the end for you guys, so stay until the end if you want to see what it all looks like. Getting into the actual clothes that are in here, the first thing we have is this black top. I'm not a fashion person, guys. I don't know names for things. It's a black floral top. It's really cute. I'm guessing that this is the Pink Clover Katara CrossFit tank top in the color black. This is size small and it goes for $34. This is actually cute. It's super my style. I don't know how I feel about the cut. I don't know how it'll look on me, but I'm excited to try it. Next thing we have is this dress, which I actually already have a red one very similar to this. If you guys look back a couple of Stitch Fixes ago, I think it was the one that I did that I tagged Quest Accepted in. I think it's actually the same exact dress. So I already have the red version of this. I like it. It's a good cut. And actually, the one I have does not have the buttons on it, so I guess it is ever so slightly different. Plus, like, it's just good to have a different color and a summer dress and all that good stuff. So, well, the name is cut off on this, so I don't know exactly what the full name is, but the rain back detail brushed and then it cuts off. And then we have another black floral top. I guess I have two of these. They're similar in my opinion, but this one has more of this like meshy stuff around the trim, which is, I mean, it's cute, but look how see-through this is. Yeah, I think I've had this problem before where they send me like see-through stuff and I'm like, okay, well now I need to buy a shirt to go under this when your price is already like through the ceiling. So I'm guessing that this is the West Key Brianna lace detail blouse in the color black, size small, and this one is $42. So this one is more expensive than this one, but this one is see-through and this one's not. So I already have an inkling, like if it comes down between these two, I'm gonna be way more likely to get this one. And then the last item is this pair of jeans. Just regular ripped. They know I like ripped jeans, kind of a lighter wash, and that's good because I only have like dark wash pants right now. And these are the Just USA Jaslyn Distressed Skinny Jean. So I brought out the other dress I bought from Stitch Fix as just a comparison point. It's essentially the same exact dress. If you even look at the back of this one, how it's crisscrossed. I don't know if you guys can see that, and then look at the back. This one, it's literally the same. The only difference really is the color and the fact that the one I'm wearing has buttons on it and this one does not. But I mean, I like this dress, don't get me wrong. I bought it because I really liked it. Do I want two of the pretty much exact same dress? I don't know. They're even the same material and everything. Like this one's been washed, so it's a little less soft, but it's essentially the same thing, so I don't really know. I will let you guys know at the end what I'm getting. So I am pleasantly surprised by this. I mean, I had a feeling I might like it, but I wasn't sure about the cut. And I'm digging the cut, guys. I'm digging it. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments, but I think I'm kind of rocking this, right? Like, it's light enough for the summer and it's got a cute cut to it. I'm digging it. I'm really digging it. It's cool because it's got this like front pocket. Just keep all my things there. Before I forget, here's the boots with it. I know it's, sorry, there's not much I can do. There, you can kind of tell what it looks like together. I can't get a full body shot with this camera, guys, now without having to move it like an obscure amount, so hopefully you can tell what that would look like together. Alright, so this is the other top. As you can tell, it's very similar to the last one, but the cut is, I think it's way weirder. I don't think it works as well on my body. It still has this front pocket thing, but there's just something about it that like makes me look like I'm wearing a bag. Like it's not a very good shape. Also, I'm sorry that it's see-through. If you can see through it, don't mind that. But yeah, I don't really like this top. But the way Stitch Fix works is like if I want 4 of the items, then I gotta get all 5 because it's cheaper that way. So I'm gonna come back, we'll look at the prices together, and I will let you guys know what I'm getting. But let me know what you think in the comments. Would you guys wear this shirt? I don't think it's really the right cut for me personally, but it could look cute on someone else. Okay, so in the time it took for me to put the rest of my stuff away, I put on this top again because I've decided I'm gonna keep this top, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna keep these jeans just because I need more jeans and I don't really have any light wash ones, and I like how these look together. So I decided I'm just gonna keep the shirt and just the jeans. I like the dress, but I already have one that's so similar. I don't really feel like I need another one in a different color. I don't even wear the one I have usually, unless it's like a special occasion. And the black shirt, I didn't like that much. And the red booties, those were cute, like with this, what I'm wearing. But also, like, what else would I wear those with? Like, I don't own that much red. I don't even know how to match red half the time. And plus, those were $89. And if you get 3 items, it's gonna end up being like kind of a scam, honestly, with the way Stitch Fix works. Because it's like, if you get all of the items, you get 25% off. So if I were to get all the items, it would be $183.25 for everything. But then I would get a dress that I would probably hardly ever wear because it looks just like my other one. I'd get a black shirt that I would definitely never wear. And I would get booties that, again, I would probably almost never wear. They're cute, don't get me wrong. I just have no idea how to match red booties with anything. I usually just wear black booties, and like I have black booties, so I could just wear those with this and it would like work and be fine. So plus I don't think I want to spend $90 on shoes, even if there is a 25% off. Like, so anyway, long story short, I'm just gonna get the shirt and the jeans that I'm wearing. So this shirt is $34. The skinny jeans are $58, and then they deduct your $20 that you paid for your styling fee. So altogether it's gonna be like, well, I mean, we'll count the 20, whatever, because I still paid it. So counting the $20, it's gonna come out to like 80 something for just this outfit. So it's not the cheapest thing in the world, but it's also not the most expensive thing in the world when you get Stitch Fix. So yeah, just something to think about if you guys want to try it. Like, it's not, even their cheap items are still kind of like moderately priced. Like, you're not gonna get a t-shirt for 10 bucks. Like, that's never gonna happen with Stitch Fix. But yeah, so I've decided that I'm gonna get these items. Oh, okay, you guys can't really see. Don't mind my dog in my bed and everything, but yeah, I'm gonna get these. Hopefully you guys like them. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'm gonna wrap up this video because I still haven't peed. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.